getting ready to celebrate our 1-year anniversary here at the Sports Factory. The Arena Club, we've been in business for over 20 years. We started out in 1996 in Aberdeen at Hartford Health and Fitness, and we built the Arena Club, our main building, our main business, back in 2003. Getting ready to celebrate 15 years of serving Hartford County and our community. We're blessed with the facility that we built here. We're really excited about providing athletes the state-of-the-art performance training center, the best in Maryland. I mean, no one else has an indoor 60-yard area where they can do turf training, where they can do a laser 40 indoors for their athletes. Training with a laser is one of the biggest things that we do. It's the most accurate way of testing. We really believe in giving a true measurement of where the athlete is when they come in and when they would go out, and we're not taking a chance of us hitting the button wrong on a handheld. So every day, every workout, we start off with our dynamic warm-up. Here at the Sports Factory, our sports performance coaches, they enjoy our athletes, and our athletes enjoy having fun. Here's Mark having a little bit of fun with Charlie, getting ready for a workout. Developing the athlete's footwork is very important to us here at the Sports Factory, and we utilize the ladder for a lot of footwork drills. Mondays are Resistance Day here at the Sports Factory. It's part of our MORE system: movement, overspeed, resistance, and reaction. Today's resistance.
Hey, what's up? I'm Coach Sean. The reason why we foam roll is to muscle loosen. So basically to loosen up the fascia that's covering the muscle to make sure that athletes are preparing their tissues for what session they're about to go through, whether it be linear, multi-directional, power, plyometric work, any of that stuff.
So here at the Sports Factory, we have one-on-one training, which you see Mark working one-on-one with one of his ice hockey players, and we also have small group training, and we train teams. I mean, just this year we trained the entire Hartford Community College baseball team, and they got tremendous results using our program. So here at the Sports Factory, we have probably the best in this area when it comes to combine training. We have Coach Q, Kadri Ismail, is working with some of our athletes on their 40 start. One of the big things with the laser is you got to know how to put your hand on that laser start, because when you lift that hand up, your time is moving. And then, you know, again, I spoke earlier about the laser being a very effective way and an accurate way of measuring our athlete's speed.
I'm Coach John. I'm working here one-on-one with Noah. Really working on the sled for good running efficiency. It's a great tool to use just to get the knee drive, the punch, pushing the knee up, pushing your foot into the ground, proper running alignment, proper running efficiency. So that's really what we're working on here, adding a little weight to it just so we can have some added resistance as well.
Here at the Sports Factory, we train all sports. Football, baseball, basketball, field hockey, volleyball, you name the sport, we're going to train the athlete. Right now we have a couple of our athletes working on some baseball drills. We believe a lot of reaction drills are needed for the athlete to perform at the highest level. We have a 60-yard of indoor turf facility. We have an Olympic-sized weight room with 13 Sorinex racks. Sorinex is one of the best weight room equipment manufacturers in the country. We have everything an athlete needs. We have coaches for all different athletes from all sports and all levels. We have one-on-one training. Right now we have one of our quarterback sessions going on with one of our athletes and one of our coaches preparing for their upcoming season.
Hey guys, it's Coach Eddie from the Sports Factory here. Just wanted to help you guys learn a little bit about acceleration. Running fast is all about holding a lead and putting force into the ground. So if you can see, our athlete Anthony here is practicing just that. He's using the resistance belt to help him understand where to direct force, and posture is the goal. If you can put force into the ground at a rapid rate, you'll run fast. Acceleration, that's the key.
Here at the Sports Factory, we focus on each individual athlete and what their needs are when it comes to the weight room. We give each athlete their own personalized plan. One of the biggest things that we see from our athletes and from my athletes' parents is the building of confidence. All kids need confidence, all kids need self-esteem. Our coaches, in addition to helping our kids get explosive, speed, power, and strength, we're encouraging them and we're helping them become a very confident athlete. The Sports Factory is probably the only sports performance facility in Maryland that will guarantee results. We will guarantee results. If an athlete does our program and sticks to the days in the program, we will guarantee results, or we'll refund 100% of the money that the parents put up for the young athlete.
What I like to do when it comes to athletes and their movement, try to be realistic as possible, but also have an external load. In this particular case, an 18-pound kettlebell, and in that movement, allow her to be on her edges, the edges of her feet. A lot of time, athletes are trying to cut and feel their center of mass move and change. moving and changing with an external load of the 18-pound kettlebell gives her the sensation of firing the sides, in particular her glute line, as well as down into the shin line, as well as up into the trunk, those slings, if you will. That's what's happening right here as she's doing this exercise movement.
At the Sports Factory, we have one-on-one, we have small group training, and we have team training. We have something for every athlete. One of the greatest things that the Sports Factory and the Arena Club has is a great group of trainers and sports performance coaches like we have here at the Sports Factory. We invest in all of our athletes, regardless if they're one-on-one training, small group training, or team training. All of our athletes get personalized care. Are you looking for speed? Are you looking for power? You're looking to be explosive.